It is a good idea to take picture of the diagram to make sure you are doing the correct thing. And to remove the belt, we will need the socket for serpentine belt or anything we do, because there's enough space here. Any ratchet will do. Yeah, so this is a ratchet I usually use for the serpentine belt. And we also need a 15mm socket that we go up here in the middle, top middle bolt. Okay, so this is the new belt. We start do a clockwise turn, and then it start coming off. Just like that is off. Now we need to put this back together. Okay, so you have to Google the diagram online or take picture prior to doing this and put it back all loose, and then you take your 15mm socket, you put it in the middle one here, okay, and then clockwise just adjust it and make sure everything is sitting correctly, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, there you have it. So the new belt is installed. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Take care.